2-3 months, I am seeing a lot of up and down in terms of performance of the ads. So maybe I think my approach was not right this time. Usually what I was doing was I understand the pain points of my customers. So I was creating all of my ads from that perspective only, that they have this problem and how can I craft that. And my hit rate was like 80-90%. So out of 10 ads, like 8 were performing really well. But then I
That's a
fell
world
into
record, I'll
this.
say. Okay, that's a world record.
But
I,
it
I,
didn't.
I have a 50% hit rate, and I think that's awesome. Okay.
Why? But that didn't, it is not sustainable because you run out of ideas. I knew like 12, 13 ad ideas, which I created all. And after that, like nothing is working. So,
I'll tell you. Okay.
yes.
It's Indian market, right?
Yes. Absolutely.
It's
Students and
Indian
working professional. Yeah.
market. Okay. So with Indians, okay, specifically, not the US and UK market. Okay, with US and UK market, messaging is the king. With the Indian market, template is the king.
Okay.
You remember podcast style ads were working,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Then us versus them started working, right?
Yes.
Right now that has changed. How do you
Okay.
find that? Go to organic reels section. Look at
Okay.
the first 10 reels over there.
Okay.
Okay. See what is the template that they are,
Okay.
using. Copy all those templates with the same message, same pinpoint.
Okay.
Don't need to work on the pinpoints again.
Okay.
Okay. Just recreate them in that manner. Okay.
Okay.
And run them. That's all. You will be stabilized. You will get stabilized for next 2-3 months again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's a great idea, why? But let me tell you what I did, like how like things have started falling down. I was creating from my mind. I knew the pain points and the whiteboard was working really well in screen recording. Those format was working really well. Then I ran out of ideas. Like, what should I create? Something new, fresh creative ideas like went away. So I started to go on Claude and started generating ideas from there. Right, I started following the scripts from Claude as well, but that didn't work out. I mean, I was getting
It won't.
good.
It won't.
Yes.
Then they're not able to create that good of scripts, to be very honest. Like at this point of time, because all of them, are, all the people who are there are using the same scripts.
Okay.
So at that point of time, that's why you have to just go. Just don't have to copy the exact, just template. See the hook that they're using. Obviously, everything that they're using.
Okay.
If you're able to use all of those things and say it in the exact way possible, that will work.
Okay. And Sannidhya, about the ads which performed really well, can I create like a different version of the similar ads in a different way? Like, will it going to work, or do I need like completely different creatives? Say, for
Go
example,
Google. Go Google. I have always been a
okay.
vocal advocate of going Google. First of all, make a very minor tweak inside your ad, which can be caption change, heading change. That's all. And then relaunch them. If that doesn't work, add a background music. If that doesn't
Okay.
work, add a heading or an overlay. If that doesn't work, add subtitles or remove the subtitles. If that doesn't work, try to clip if it is a long ad, okay, try to clip it or try to shorten it. If it is a small ad, then try to add a few more things. If that doesn't work, then add B-rolls. Okay, change the editing style. So you very the first thing is just changing the caption. The last thing is or caption or the audience, interest-based audience. And the last thing is reshooting it in a different format altogether. So that's basically a Google way of going about it. You're a business owner at the end of that. You can't be every next day, just let's go to the photo shoot and let's record new one. No, we don't do it like that. We go through we exhaust all the juices from one creator, and that's how you extend the life cycle of an event. So that's the easiest way to make Andromeda understand that this is probably for other audience. Okay. So one more thing, which I feel, if you're using the same, okay, so let me put it that way. Every file has some signature code or, whatever, however Facebook reads it. If you also change the length of that particular video by just increasing or decreasing the speed of your video,
Okay.
Facebook treats it as a totally new video. I don't have any data. Let's see, I have a data to support it, but I don't have any white paper or anything to, exactly back this thing that I'm trying to say. Okay. So you'll have to take me on my word.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And
Yes,
trust
yes,
me, the
yes,
course
absolutely.
is on that only. Like, this is what
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
yeah. I trust you. Like, yeah, no
So,
problem. Try that.
so
Yeah.
so if you just increase the speed, decrease the speed, okay, and be like, let's try it like that, and are able to change the, the duration over there, it might work. It might work
Okay.
crazy, right? So
Amazing. Amazing.
are you getting it?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you just have to make it feel like this is a new ad, and it starts showing it to totally new audience. Because what happens is, let's say this is a pool of Facebook. Okay. Currently it is showing to this particular people. And you exhaust all these people, right? Now you want to push into another pocket or penetrate into another pocket. How would you do so? Either by another angle or another template or anything. What I'm suggesting you to do is go frugally, maybe just change the caption. It might go over there. Maybe just change
Okay.
the speed. It might go over there. So there are 100 ways to reach over there. Some are easy, some are hard. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.